Hey, TouchPoint friends, Ross Miller here at TouchPoint. I have the privilege of leading the charge here and am excited to bring our June updates to you. We've got a lot going on. I don't know if you're like me, but summer is a time when you look back, school year's ending, you're starting to look forward to the things between now and the end of the year. For many of you, you're working on your fiscal budgets, you're about to launch your new fiscal year. And so it's a time of reflection and anticipation. So with that, we have a ton to cover because we've been working on a lot of new features and things that we're excited to get into your hands as we move into this next season. So I'm going to jump in with the thing I think I'm most excited about right now is registrations has been rebuilt from the ground up. We have a bunch of churches that have been helping us test it. We released it to a new round of churches to get more testing to make sure that it's in a great spot when we go live officially with it. But what you're going to see, if you haven't seen it already, is a really simple and easy interface with powerful features like new question types, conditional logic, better communications with email and things, better reporting. And then from a user experience, it's a simple way just to sign up and be engaged with your church. And so it makes registration a breeze. If you're on our mobile, you're going to see some new features and functionality. If you're not, I'd encourage you to check it out. For most churches, it doesn't change your cost, it's included. And if you're not using mobile or you're on another app, I think you're gonna really like what you see. In 3.5, we are releasing translations. So you'll be able to communicate with Spanish, Chinese, and lots of, we're set up to do any language, as well as widgets for things like live streaming and attendance. So those are really important things for our partner churches. As you think forward to next school year and volunteers and all of that, background checks is something that's really important. You may know, you may not, that TouchPoint is integrated with Ministry Safe and Protect My Ministry. So you can do your background checks through those trusted providers in TouchPoint. One benefit that we're about to release, it's a new feature that we've been working on, is in the blue toolbar, being able to run a query and do background checks for groups of people. If you're using Ministry Safe or Protect My Ministry, but not through TouchPoint, check out help articles or call one of us, and we'd love to kind of help you navigate through that. Also, I want to share with you ticketing. As you're planning for Christmas shows or other things that are coming up, ticketing is a great way to set up your facilities and allow folks to buy reserve seats or general admission. But it's what's important about it is it's a great experience for folks that are attending, and then you're capturing data so people can be known within your church. Moving on, we've got our finance update version 3 that we have in testing right now. It's the final release of the big finance overhaul that we've done over the past several months. So the release is coming later this summer. It's going to allow you to do better searching, better reporting. We're combining transactions and contribution logs into one. So I think it'll make your life easier on that front. It's the last phase of what has been a major overhaul to the financial side of things. And then finally, I just have to share because I'm really excited. The next big thing we're working on is rooms and reservations. Stay tuned for more of that, but it's going to give you the ability to manage room reservations, assets, services in a way that you've not been able to do in the past. And I think it's going to make a big difference for our partner churches. As we wrap up, a few ideas for how you can engage your staff and equip the saints. We have a roundtable coming up on June 20th. So check below for more information on that. Hope you can join. We have our new features webinar coming up on June 27th. Join us live, catch the replay, but I hope you're able to join us for that. And then my favorite, which is Summit, is coming up in Birmingham in September. We are way ahead of pace on people signing up and registering for that event. So I know that our hotels will sell out. So get a hotel reservation if you're able to sooner than later. And then finally, if our consulting team is able to jump in and roll up our sleeves and walk alongside you or your staff, please let us know. We're here to help, and the team is eager to serve. So we're praying for you and for your churches, for your summer events that are going on. We're looking forward to seeing you at Summit in Birmingham. So we hope you can join us. Blessings to you and your church, and we'll talk to you soon.